I'm originally from Italy, but during my studies I had the opportunity to work at NASA, at JPL in Pasadena. And there I touched robotics for the first time and I realized, okay, this is what I want to do. I ended up in Japan for a few years where I had the experience of working in a startup, and that refined my interests. I decided, okay, this is specifically what I want to do. I want to build a robot in a startup. And I decided that I didn't want to continue my career in Japan, but I wanted to go somewhere else. And at that moment, I really had no pressure to go specifically somewhere, so I had the freedom to make a very accurate choice, and I decided to make an Excel and really compare different opportunities. So I set out different universities or companies and start listing them according to my interests, like if they're close to Italy, because in the end that's my hometown. How much background do they have in robotics? Is there a positive outlook? Like what does the future look like? And in the end I realized Switzerland was really the best option for me.
The company originated as a spin-off from Zurich. The 4 co-founders, we met there as part of our PhD already in 2018, and it naturally evolved into creating this company called now RIVR. We focus on building general physical AI applied to the last mile delivery problem, so having a robot that can deliver all the way to your doorstep. We have access to a very great talent pool here in Zurich, so it makes it very attractive for us to have our headquarters here, where we basically do most of our IP generation and R&D. We have some very special talents here in the robotics and in AI training side, so talents that you cannot find really everywhere around the world, maybe places like Silicon Valley, maybe around MIT in the US, some places also in Asia, but I think in Europe it's like one of the best hubs for getting these robotics and AI talents into your company.
We see hundreds of roboticists being engaged from all kind of age range and background. Some of them come from Europe for studying or from other region. Some are still in education, some have 20, 30 years of experience, and still they move from US to Switzerland looking for opportunities. Already at the time, it was 2017, and the slogan, the Silicon Valley of robotics, was something floating around, and I have to say it was something very true in my experience. There's a very broad spectrum of talents that comes, and when you reach a certain density, the opportunities start to bloom.
I mean, first of all, I'm living here now for 8 years. All my co-founders are living here for 8 years. Switzerland is our home. All my friends are here. We know the ecosystem here. And for us to move the company, let's say, to Germany or Italy, I don't think it would have brought any benefits. On top of that, it would have brought probably more disadvantages, because you would have had to find like a city where you can get the same talents. We have like ETH Zurich here, and we need to hire the best talents, and that's why we are here.